Today's January 31st, 2025, and we found a frog. This is crazy. This is a real frog. Let's see if he moves. Is he alive? Like, no, use a stick, not your shoe. That's mean. He's gonna go find a stick to see if frog moves. We had a lot of snow over here the other day, so it's been melting and I'm just kind of like, I hope he's alive. I've never seen a frog this early out. Here, you wanna see? Is he gonna move? Is he alive? Gentle. I don't know, we're trying to see if we can make him move. Poor thing. Hey, try to get under the stairs. Hello? Oh my gosh, it is a real frog. Why are you out here with the snow, you crazy thing? Here, you need to go back in there. You're gonna get hurt in the snow. At least I think so. Here you go, back to your home. It's a real frog. Actually, what kind of frog is that? I think it's a leopard frog. Yeah. Alright, this is my update today. You guys take care. Bye.